Why is everything chrome?
I got the check and I blow it. My diamonds be shining, I know it. You're getting heated, I see it. I got the car to control it. I'm at the top, you below me. You say you getting money, then show it.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy MannyCee back again with another video. I am back to 100%, back on the grind again. But fuck all that. Let's see what we about to reacting today. We about to reacting to Slime Dollaz, Skuffle, No Wrestling. Someone recommended this in my comment section to my famous Dex reaction. So he said he's upcoming. He's up next. So let's see if this is trash or fire. All right, let's get into it.
I had to up my fire.
Oh shit, it's starting that fast. Hold on, I didn't think. All right, let's go.
I had to up my fire. My odds they be decent. Shot that boy 5 times. Left him in the dish. And on water whipping. Free little girl, he was a chemist.
I don't know. Okay. I don't want to say anything bad. Is the right kind? I don't want to say anything bad. Like, it's only been 15 seconds, but like I'm not liking his flow. I don't know. I'm not liking his flow.
Hold on. I might just lay in this grass. I pop out that fire. I get the hint of that.
I'm not liking the beat too, bro. Like like I could just be hating, but at the same time, I don't know, bro. I'm not liking. Hold on. We're only 22 seconds in, bro. Let me continue reacting.
I'm a real slime. I'm a shiesty man.
Right.
We put a price on him, and I pop his ass. And I rouse style. I know I'm convicted feeling. I tell you 1,000 times. Snakehead ain't.
First of all, I didn't know his voice was gonna be like that. I truly thought it was. It reminds me of SMILEY. Like, God. You know what? Let's continue.
Doing no rest. Heard no boy was plotting on me. Yeah, them boys ain't tell my name. I got lethal weapon. AR, I got Mac 11. Walk down gang, you know we scratch him. Pop the perk, I pop his best friend. Smack that boy on the night.
Pop the perk, I popped his best friend. Alright.
Gang, you know we scratch him. Pop the perk, I pop his best friend. Smack that boy on the noggin. They gon' know about Dollaz. I ain't even doing no talk. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't dissing that boy. Cause I pull low them Billy boys. Clean the block, we sweep that boy. I can't beef with.
Pull up with them Billy boys. Clean the block, we sweep.
I ain't dissing that boy. Cause I pull low them Billy boys. Clean the block, we sweep that boy. I can't beef with them. Cause they tell their people they beef with me. And I'm a real solid boy. I tell them push that shit.
I don't fuck with this at all, bro. Like, oh my god. Like, I don't know if it's the voice, the beat, or the flow. It could be just all three. I feel like if he went, like, he got a better beat for this shit, and like, I don't know, I just don't fuck with his voice. It reminds me of SMILEY too much, bro.
In the street, and that motherfucking fight the size of me.
Okay.
Y'all mean bitches poking, not my jeans.
What tattoo is that? Nigga, the Avatar?
Poking, not my jeans. I'm a real slime bitch, you know I'm green. I pop out that fire. I get the hint of that. I'm a real slime. I'm a shiesty man.
Right.
We put a price on it.
Ass, bro. The hook is ass. Like, Jesus, the hook is ass. I don't know, bro.
And I pop his ass. And I rouse style. I know I'm convicted feeling. I tell you 1,000 times. Snakehead ain't doing no rest. Heard no boy was plotting on me. Yeah, them boys ain't tell my name. I got lethal weapon. AR.
Guys, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this is ass. I don't know. I'm sorry. This is ass. Let's see if Skuffle snaps. But keep it real. My expectations are low.
Weapon. AR. I got Mac 11. I'm a real B. I say my L best skill to see.
Why do all y'all sound like y'all getting like y'all say period, y'all getting getting ass shots? Like, what's going on, bro? Like,
yo, release, Mr. Take him down, make a
like, what's good with this
I done defined so many niggas like a record player. I ain't scared to repeat. Make a nigga ghost like for Halloween. I'ma give him a sheet. Real street nigga, I can't give him no pass. What's on your head might be a whole stash. Could let the bound, I could really toe tag. He ain't never ate a.
What's on your head? A whole. What's he saying?
Ain't give him no pass. What's on your head might be a whole stash.
What's on your head? It might be a whole stash. I like his flow better. I definitely like his flow better than this nigga. Like, I like how he's rapping a little faster. But, like, you know what? They got unique voices. Let me just say that, my nigga.
Let the bound, I could really toe tag. He ain't never ate a plate for no cash. Won't let no 550 touch my flag. Spin that boy block when he ain't never play crash. Hold on, wait, take your foot off the gas. I'm out the window trying to shoot at his ass. Hold on, I might just lay in this grass. Is
that it?
Out that fire.
Is that it? Scott, you should have kept going, nigga. I actually liked his flow. It was far better than this nigga. So, yeah, nigga.
Block when he ain't never play crash. Hold on, wait, take your foot off the gas. I'm out the window trying to shoot at his ass. Hold on.
His flow was tough. The beat still ass to me. Yeah, I can see this nigga going far a little. If he gets better. This nigga, I don't know. I have to listen to more songs by him.
I might just lay in this grass. I pop out that fire. I get the hint of that ass. I'm a real slime. I'm a shiesty man. We put a price on him. And I pop his ass. And I rouse fire. I know the big
fire. I'm a big fire. I'm a fire.
And I pop his ass. And I rouse fire. I know convict the feeling.
You know what? I fuck with you. I fuck with you because you that Avatar, my nigga.
I know convict the feeling. I tell you 1,000 times. Snakehead ain't doing no rest. Heard no boy was plotting on me. Yeah, them boys ain't telling my name. I got lethal weapon. AR, I got Mac 11.
The girl looks just lost and just fried out of her mind. Like, why the fuck am I here? Like, like just looks mad stiff when flexing that money throughout the whole damn video. Alright, that was Slime, Dollaz, and Skuffle No Wrestling. Was fire or ass? Ass to me. 100% ass to me. Skuffle, I fucked with his flow. I fucked with his fast flow. His voice, both of their voices was anything. I don't know, like, it reminded me so much of SMILEY's high ass voice. Like they smoked a hot air balloon or some shit before they went on to this beat or something. I don't know what the fuck they were doing. But at the same time, Slime Dollaz, this song was ass. Your hook was garbage to me. I think I want to see him. I gotta listen to more of his music. Will I be listening to this on my downtime? Fuck no. But yeah, nigga. Whoever recommended this, I don't know if he was joking or he was real. But it's like, yeah, nigga, like, let me see what the comments say. Are these bots? Okay. Alright, but yeah, bro, I gotta react to more. Oh, yeah, no wrestling. Yeah.
Came a long way from a motherfucking OZ. How you fuck with no hit talk to the police. Try to move fast.